power water monitoring system. Basically, the purpose of this project is to testing the water quality. If suppose the water sources are present outside the city or any remote places, so at that place we have to place this type of the concept or system which monitor the water quality. So in this project we have used the power source module, that is the solar panel. We use a 12 volt 10 watt solar panel. That energy is stored in this battery, that is a 12 volt 1.3 ampere battery, and that will supply the total power in whole control board. This is the main control board, which consists of the Arduino board, LCD display, and this is the power source. That means the 12 volt is converted here into the 5 volt. The 5 volt will be run in this battery, in this control board, and it will be goes to the LCD display. Also the 12 volt directly goes to the Arduino board. Next is the 5 volt is also required for the GSM modem. So GSM modem, we have attached one SIM here, so be sure that the network will be the proper. Next is this is another control board which consists only for the water level controlling circuit. Okay, and this is for the turbidity sensor, testing the turbidity, that is if the water is transparent or muddy or any type of, it will be directly place any tube here, so the transparency level detects what the turbidity level of it. This is the sensor which shows the pH as well as the conductivity of the water. So let's see how the project works. As I switch on the project, so here the name is written, that is water quality monitoring system. Okay, so let's see how it works. First of all, we have to reset the Arduino. At the first step, then at the next step you will be continue. So the message will be written like this, that is send message to the store mobile number. That means whatever the SIM you have to attach on the GSM modem, you have to send the message to this number. So our mobile is registered, and whatever happen here, it will directly send the total information to our mobile phone. So first, for that, we have just text our number to this SIM. So let's see what happened. So my number is displayed here on this LCD display. That means my mobile, that means our project is connected. Also the message is written, that is our mobile number is registered here, Okay, now we have obtained some values here. So if you see, the values written on the LCD display is like the temperature values, pH values, turbidity values, conductivity, and empty, E for empty. So this is the water sources we have to use here. So we have DIP, that is the temperature sensor module. So this temperature sensor senses the temperature of water already, and this is used for the water level. Okay, so level of water is empty or full, you can identify with the 3 wires. Okay, next is the pH and conductivity of sensor. So whenever we insert this probe, so we have to insert this all the inputs to the water source, that is the pH and conductivity level, temperatures, and water level also. And let's see what happened. So at the display, if you see, that is the water level is full, turbidity level is now 30, conductivity is also gives values of flexible values of 7 and 8, pH value also gives 8 values. So all the message will be shown on the LCD display. Also the total message shown on our mobile phone. Okay, the continue message will be continue shown here. Look how many messages they send with the particular links. So in this way we have to insert all the inputs like a temperature, water levels and the pH and conductivity sensors also, and we have obtained all the values. Now let's test about the turbidity. For that I have taken one small amount of water, a small beaker, so that is beaker is transparent, so it gives the turbidity levels. If the water is clean, it gives the good turbidity and its value is high, but if the water is muddy, it gives a less turbidity, and that means the all values we have obtained here on the LCD display. Also, if you see, the values will be fluctuate. So also we have obtained the values on the message. So in this way, the total concept of the water quality monitoring system is works, and all the concept is shown works on the basis of the inputs sensor which we have to attach to the control boards, and this is the also main things, that is the turbidity sensor. And turbidity sensor, if the transparency level of the water is good, that is high, so it less turbidity. If the water is muddy or some kind of impureness in that, so the turbidity level is high, so that is also mentioned here. But whatever the three inputs you have to insert in the water source, that will be displayed on the display. Also sends its message to the mobile phone. So in this way total project works. Thanks.